wanna get paid. Fuck a nigga or a bitch, don't give a fuck what they say. I'm putting it up and stacking it up for a stormy little day. I gotta get it, I didn't have it, gotta get it some way. I risk it all, I risk my life, but that's just what it took. They say you living bad, you living wrong, just like a crook. They say it ain't right if it isn't rolled down in that book. I gotta get it, that just in your eyes, that's how it look. I just wanna get paid. Fuck a nigga or a bitch, don't give a fuck what they say. I'm putting it up and stacking it up for a stormy little day. I gotta get it, I didn't have it, gotta get it some way. I risk it all, I risk my life, but that's just what it took. They say you living bad, you living wrong, just like a crook.
I got a puppy. Hey, what you eating, bro? End up, bro, eat something. What you eating, bro? I'm gonna die out here, bro. Tripping the bruh. About what the fuck? About what the fuck?
To tie it and drop it. That's all we got.
We got a V12.
You got no fucking chains?
No.
You're tripping.
What's the issue at hand now?
Open that side.
What's going on?
Not in front of you. Not in front of you.
Hey, what is this called? An M52? What? An M52 or some shit like that. The name of the motor, what's it called?
I think it's M50.
M50 motor. About to go into this E something. What the fuck is this bitch called? It's 36, man. Stop playing with that, man. Shit, bro. Niggas not really doing that shit out here, though, bro. Like, who you know having puppies and shit, though, like. We got ATL Addictions. Brian EK. Buy the engine swap. Fuck the tranny. I don't need this. But this gotta come off. You know what I'm saying, my boy? Eric with the Genesis. Prepping up this bitch. Coming out.
Alright, nigga, where the fucking toolbox at? Motherfucker, bitch!
Get a load of shit. Get a load of this guy.
Right? He thinks that I got all this shit right now. Like, no, I don't, bro. I asked him earlier, do you need any tools, bro? No, bro, I don't.
That sounds like
home.
That sounds like some Brian shit to say.
I was like, bro, fuck it, whatever. You say you got him at home. Right.
Gets home, not here. Brian shit to do. Start of a new plan. What are you talking about? Hey, this is a smooth ass truck though. Fuck. That's what we got the motor in. The radiator's out. Don't know where the fuck the nigga put that shit at, but the radiator. That shit's ass, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. People, I'm just sitting here talking about their man car. Real shit though. I don't think I could do no shit like that, man. Tear up a car, goddamn, put another motor in that bitch. Motor go out. It's quits for me. GG. Never be me. Don't have the patience or funds to do some shit like this. You gotta be a different kind of human to buy a fucking motor.
Yeah. Use them? It's locked. It's locked.
We gotta be a different kind of human being though. To buy a fucking motor. That dog is gonna be mine very fucking soon.
You know what's the sad part, bro? She's gonna quickly outgrow this spot.
You know what's even more sad, bro?
What?
Not your fucking dog.
What?
Very sad. Damn, the dog looks like that's really your son. I mean, daughter.
Oh?
Nyla. Oh, that's right.
Nala.
Nyla.
Thank you, bro.
Tired of saying this. Word to my mother, though. I'm about to pull up on this nigga. Hit him with the wild deuce. Niggas don't know what the wild deuce. Hey. You're a pre-ass nigga, bro.
Yeah, so do you want to hold the dog for a minute?
Oh, this is a cute dog. Blue eyes. It's a blue eye, blue nose pit bull. Say her name one more time.
Nala.
Nala.
Look, you can name that.
A word.
Timberland.
Nala.
Hey. Get the London
You
look.
like the camera, don't you? She's sweet, girl. She's sweet, dog.
Not anymore.
I hate when it does that shit, bro. It acts like you don't want to fucking zoom out.
What you want?
Yeah, trying to get that motor.
She said, what you want?
Oh, we got a whole new. See, you got the captain, cuz, with my mama.
I told you, I got you. I don't know if you ever watched that one before where like this nigga comes up to the bitch and he's like, I heard it forget. He's like, let me get some fried cat.
Oh, yeah. She said, who say that? Who say that? Next door?
Oh, I can't believe. I can't believe. That's crazy. That's a lie. It's a lie. Yeah, she was mad as fuck, bro.
Who said
She
that?
said, why you trying to fuck up my store? Oh,
What the fuck are you doing?
I just fucked him.
Ooh, damn. I just fucked him.
You can see every imperfection. That's crazy.
You can?
Definitely see every snitch of dirt on that.
Is it dirty?
I think it's not even dirty. It's just
Oh, the creases?
It's, yeah, it's real. Not even the crease. Some dirt on the nose too, though. On that one.
Oh, I see. I see now. How do you have to buy?
Nah, see, I think.
Damn, the bitches still glow though?
Definitely still there.
You see it? Hold on. Ooh, you see it?
Yeah,
Hold on,
stop.
wait a minute. You see it?
You said.
What the fuck?
Como
Come on,
estás?
it's the details, my nigga.
I made those in my lab. Real shit. True shit. Yeah, step me on. No. Yeah, it's the camera and it's the paint I use. Don't worry, bro.
No, it's
Zapatos. Para la empresa, zapatos.
Empieza rápido, 5 minutos.
30 segundos. I used to try so hard to say 30 seconds, bro. 30 segundos.
Whoa.
Gratis.
You put enough light on it, you see the
You
color.
guys were kind of late.
I'm kind of high.
Yeah, you're kind of you got some basic ass blue shoes.
Progress.
I'm zooted. I'm not gonna even lie, bro.
Hey, bro, I feel like I was sleeping for like 2 hours, bro. I have no idea how long I was sleeping.
Shut up.
Hey, no, like, true shit, bro. Like, what time did y'all leave, bro?
Who does it go to now?
Because, I took a mean nap, bro. Power nap like fuck.
I walked in, this thing was.
I grabbed the blanket, nigga. I said, oh, yeah,
I
bet.
said, bro, what's good? He said, wait, when did you get here, bro?
When you text
I
me.
literally called.
Hey, man, let me tell y'all about this bed, man. That shit is big as hell. It's comfortable as fuck. This nigga left me there. I was like, bruh, how you gonna leave me in your house? Definitely gonna take a smooth little nap. Nigga was going for like an hour, bro. No bullshit.
When you said where you at in Brian's house, I'm like, all right, this nigga's outside. Let me get ready for this bitch nigga, bro. Wake the fuck up,
What are
man.
you doing?
Hey, I'm making a vlog, bro. Don't worry about what I'm doing, bro. So,
Good. Let me
I'm
know.
trying to come up on YouTube, cuz, on 375 Larry, cuz. Dreams to reality, cuz.
On who?
375.
You said that leadership.
Hey, bro, how much you want for them, bitch?
It brought it back like 2 days later, though.
How much is too much?
Hello?
Como estás?
Yo. How y'all like that one? I cooked that one up, didn't I? I cooked that one up. Yeah, that's the first real video on the channel, though. Like, there's some more videos, but they ain't really no, like, real videos. So, yeah. Go ahead and like that one up. Comment on this one. Tell me how y'all feel, though. Like, real deal. I made a nice little intro with cars, police, and all types of crazy shit done happen. I made like a little intro and shit. It's hard. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with it. But I need y'all to tell me like if y'all really fuck with that one. If y'all don't fuck with it, y'all gonna have to let me know. I can cook something else. You know what I'm saying? I'm a chef out here in this bitch. But yeah though, fuck with the video. The music I use for the intro and for the background music, that's my cousin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop that in the description. Y'all go ahead and fuck with that one. It's called Get Paid. Other one, I can't give you the other one. Don't worry though. I'm gonna fuck with y'all boys.
Move out to a better place. Man, fuck this shit, it's a trap. I'm just doing what I got to do. And fuck the other lanes, cause I swear they ain't no rap. Yeah, I'm raised up in the slum, but I'm smarter than the average. Yeah, I'm smoking on their runs, and I'm on another album. I got your front, I got your back, I got your spine, homie.